Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the titanium pan for damage and secure handle attachment. Safety first. Once done, apply a thin film of neutral oil if the pan is brand new to fill microscopic pores. Turn the burner to medium and let the pan heat for about 2 to 3 minutes so it reaches even temperature. This prevents sticking and warping. Make sure to adjust heat rather than jumping to high. Steady medium heat gives reliable searing and consistent cooking results. You now add the correct oil amount and test readiness with a drop that should sizzle. Sear proteins on one side without moving them for 2 to 4 minutes to build a crust, then flip. This creates flavor and release. Once deglazed, reduce heat to maintain gentle cooking. For vegetables, toss frequently for even browning, and use the lid when you want steam to finish. Make sure to control heat in short bursts, rather than constant high, to preserve the pan surface. You finish cooking by removing the pan from heat and letting it cool a bit to avoid warping. Wash with warm soapy water and a soft sponge. For stubborn residue, soak 10 to 15 minutes, then use a nylon scrubber. Once dry, rub a thin oil layer if you'll store the pan for weeks. If food sticks, check for overheating or insufficient oil next time. If discoloration appears, it's cosmetic. Clean normally and continue using, but replace if structural damage exists.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.